In shadows deep, where felines creep, a dark overlord wakes from his sleep. With a paw raised high and a devilish purr, the apocalypse starts, claws unsheathed to stir. With the flick of his tail, the spell takes flight. Now the dead shall rise, burning horrors ignite. Zombie kitties from the grave emerge, a tide of death and unholy surge. With matted fur and broken claws, they stalk the streets with undead jaws. Run, run, there's no escape. The elves of doom seal your fate. The king overlord reigns supreme in a zombie apocalypse born of a dream. Tiny paw prints mark the dead. Houses crumble, streets overrun by kittens rotting under the sun. Their tiny fangs gleam with decay. As humans flee, they become prey. An army of whiskers, a tide of gore. Dark magic binding them evermore. Run, run, there's no escape. The elves of doom seal your fate. The king overlord reigns supreme in a zombie apocalypse born of a dream. From rooftops they leap with a haunting wail. A cacophony of birds like a ghostly gale. Scratch by scratch they spread the curse, until all that's left is a meowing hearse. Run, run, there's no escape. The meows of doom seal your fate. The king overlord reigns supreme in a zombie apocalypse born of a dream. Now the world belongs to fur and bone. The overlord sits on his spectral throne. In the silence his purr resounds as undead kitties prowl the grounds. They leap with a haunting wail, like a cacophony of birds, like a ghostly gale. Scratch by scratch, they spread the curse, until all that's left is a meowing hearse.